Hi, my name is Fizza. I came to Activate Learning to study hospitality and catering. I started off with level 1. I passed my exams and I came on to level 2. I'm currently studying level 2 and I will hopefully go on to level 3 and finish that off and progress onto university. I think the pop-up restaurant was a great concept because it's trending, it gets us in the zone, we're interacting with customers and it's quite different now because of COVID. We're also doing back of house, which gives us more experience and more skills, so we get a taste of both sides. So I'm a pretty big fan of it, so that's good. After level 3, I'd like to go and study at university. I want to become a pastry chef and I'd like to develop my skills and gain more experience in patisserie. I also would like to go travelling around the world and learn more about world patisserie.